everyone, welcome to our channel Online Tutorial. This video is on the topic Multiplexer Part 8 of Digital Logic course. Before further going on, friends, if you have yet not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe the red button given below and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out any videos from our channel. Now let's move on with our course. Here is our course outline. The skills that we are going to cover in this video is about multiplexer, and then we'll see about truth table and its logic diagram, or we can say that block diagram. Multiplexer. A multiplexer or MUX is a device that takes 2 to the power n number of binary input and gives only one output line. That is, if input equal to 2 to the power n, then output will be 1. For example, if input will be 2 to the power n where n equal to 4, then output will be 1. So, this is a definition of multiplexer. What is it? It is a combinational circuit, or we can say it's a device which takes 2 to the power n data input. That is, any number of input it will take, it will always produce only single output. And one of these data input from these 2 to the power n data inputs will be connected to the output based on the values of selection line, which will produce the appropriate results. That is, there are n selection line here. Here we have seen there are n selection line. There will be 2 to the power n possible connection of zeros and ones. So each combination will select only one data input. Hence, multiplexer is also called as MUX. See here, it's a block diagram of 8:1 multiplexer circuit. Here are 8 input lines from I0 to I7, but what we have said that from this n selection line, each combination will select only one data input. Since it is 8, 2 to the power 3 equal to 8, so there will be 3 selected line for input, and this 3 input selected line will give the output as single output. That is, here it is mentioned as P, and this is a block diagram of 8:1 MUX. Now here is a truth table for this. For 3 combination, we all know the value that we have to put into the truth table. See here, X, Y and Z are 3 input here which are selected from n input lines, and P here is a output. And for this P, each and every case is given here from I0 to I7. So this now we have to put as a logic diagram. See here in the logic diagram. According to this truth table X, Y, Z, we have put all the values of from I0 to I7 and made the logic diagram. See, for I0 we have X0, Y0 and Z0. So we have taken one NOT gate connected with each of these input line, and we have made it to 0 state, that is in low state, and from that we have taken all the 0 state value from X, Y, Z, and we have combined it with the help of AND gate, and we have got our result as I0. Similarly, for all the others value, for I1, see here 0, 0, 1, from X we have taken the value of 0, from Y 0 and from Z 1, and we have combined it with the help of AND gate, and we have got our I1. Likewise, for other also we have got this I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7. That is 8 combination we have got. Now these all values are combined with the help of OR gate. Why? As what we have learned in our definition, that from all the input values we will get only single output. It doesn't matter how many number of input are there, it will always result in a single output. So if any of the cases is in high state, then it should produce the value as a high state. So this is only possible with the help of OR gate, as we have already know that OR gate produce, if any of the state is high, then it will produce the high state value. So all these values from I0 to I7 are combined with the help of OR gate, and we have got our result as P, that is the result of multiplexer as a single output. Now we will see about application of multiplexer. It is used to increase the efficiency of the communication system by allowing the transmission of data such as audio, video, data from different channels via cables and single lines. These are used in telephone networks to integrate the multiple audio signals on a single line of transmission. And third, it is also used to transmit the data signals from the computer system of a satellite to 3 ground system by using a GSM communication. So this was all about the multiplexer. Hope you guys liked our lesson, and if you like, do thumbs up and share your views in comment section below.